How to sign up DoorDash. So first of all, you have to open the DoorDash official website where you have to sign up with your ID. So this is the official website. Like I will give this URL on the comment section below. So or you can as usual type this URL DoorDash.com. So simply you have to search it from there and open this website on your browser. So once you open this site, you will have to enter the zip code or postal code of your area. So simply you have to enter the postal code here and simply click on this next button. Okay, so now from here you will have to give an email address and click on this next, and simply from here you will have to give your phone number and then click on this continue. All right, so now from here you will have to give your first name, middle name and last name. So if you not have any middle name, you'll have to check this option no middle name. So simply you have to check. So after that you will have to click on this continue option. All right, so now from here you will have to give your vehicle details here. So simply you can choose the vehicle type. So simply choose it and click on this continue. All right, so now from here you will have to give all of the details about your vehicles, like it will be vehicle type, make, model, color, and if you have any insurance of your vehicle, so simply you have to check this option where it says yes, I have vehicle insurance. So simply after checking that option, you have to click on this continue option. All right, so now from here you will have to scan your driving license. So simply click on this continue. Okay, so from here you will have to take the picture of your front side of your driving license. So simply you have to take the photo and go for the option continue. And from here you have to take a picture of yourself. So simply take a pictures accordingly and go to the next option. And from here you will get a message like it is verified your ID and facial scan. So simply click on this continue. Okay, so now on this background check section, you will have to give each details on this section. So like when you complete these details, you will have to click on this continue. Okay, so from here you can check your info that is correct or not. So you can also receive a free copy of your background check report. So simply for that, you will have to check on that option and head to the continue option. Okay, so after that you will get such interface where it shows the progress of your application reports. So simply from here you can know your progress. Okay, so after the progress is done, you will get such interface where it will show you are officially a dasher. So congrats, you are now a dasher. So likewise, you can also create or sign up the account for DoorDash driver. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.